Welcome to Kumba Software DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about how to create new files within your DataPower appliances using the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. So to get started with the demonstration, I have a couple of appliances selected. I have a domain selected, though I could select many domains for this purpose. I'm on the Files tab at the top of the list of tabs here, and I'm on the Manage Files tab, which is a subtab of the Files tab. To create a new file, I just simply right-mouse click over the empty space in the File List window, and I can select Create New File. DPAA presents me with a dialog that allows me to start by selecting the directory where I want to create the new file. So I'm going to select Local. When creating a new file, we have the opportunity to also create a new directory or new directories. So that I type new directory here. And if I wanted to, I could put a slash and type another directory if I wanted to. For this demonstration, I'll just create one. We also can create the new file name, obviously. So I'm going to select New File, and then we give it XSLT. Of course, you could create an XML or a JavaScript or whatever kind of file you would like to create. At this point, I'm going to click the Next button. And DPAA presents me with a string allowing me to decide what the initial file content of this file is going to be. Let's say it's just going to be an XSLT file as we named it, and I happen to have an XSLT template that I can start out with. I can type in here, and I can type anything I want within here to do whatever I want for the initial file selection. Content. I'm going to click Next. DPAA is now showing me what it is about to do. It's going to create two files with new directories in the Kumba demo domain within the two selected appliances. Now, had I selected more than one domain, I would see new files being created for each selected domain. If I had selected more appliances, even more so. When I click Finish, the new file will be created. At this point, DPAA has gone out, it's created the new file, it's created the new directory, and it's listing all this content for us. Notice, of course, I had both appliances represented within the selected domain, and I had my new file. I can control-click both of the files that are now newly created, and if I right-mouse click, I could open the selected files to view them on the screen. As you can see, I have two new files with the basic XSLT template that I had created when I decided what the new content would be. That's all for this video. If you want to see more, go out to www.kumbasoft.com, go to the Features and Tutorials page. You can watch any number of 100 or so videos explaining all the features of the DPAA tool. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.